Once a man named Rohan felt deeply troubled. No matter how much success he achieved, a strange emptiness lingered within him. In desperation, he decided to visit a wise monk known for his profound teachings and calm demeanor, hoping to find answers. With a tired voice, Rohan said, "Master, you always taught us that hard work and determination lead to success. I followed this advice with all my heart. I worked tirelessly day and night, with complete dedication. I've achieved everything I thought I wanted: a high-paying job and a luxurious house, and I've even enrolled my son in one of the best schools. But I'm not happy. I feel no joy, no peace. Despite all my achievements, my heart feels heavy. I'm running so fast on this path, yet the happiness that's supposed to come with success keeps slipping away. Please help me, Master. I don't know how to feel happy anymore." The wise monk listened patiently to his calm eyes, observing Rohan's weary face. Then, with a serene smile, he walked into another room and returned with 3 objects: a glass ball, a porcelain ball, and a rubber ball. He handed them to Rohan and said, "Son, toss these balls into the air, one after the other. At all times, make sure at least one ball remains in the air." Rohan was puzzled. What does this have to do with my happiness? He thought. But he trusted the monk, so he began tossing the balls. At first it seemed easy, but as the pace quickened, he began to struggle. The balls wobbled in the air, and panic set in. When one ball was about to fall, Rohan quickly grabbed the glass and porcelain balls, letting the rubber ball drop. He stood still for a moment, catching his breath. Turning to the monk, Rohan explained, "I didn't let the glass ball fall because it's delicate. It would have shattered. I also couldn't let the porcelain ball fall. It's valuable and might have broken, but the rubber ball I let go because it's tough and can bounce back." The wise monk's face lit up with a knowing smile. "Exactly, my child. You just uncovered the answer to your problem." Rohan frowned, confused. "I don't understand. How does this solve anything?" The monk said gently, "These 3 balls represent the priorities of your life. The porcelain ball symbolizes your family's emotions and inner peace, the most fragile and valuable parts of your life. If you neglect them, they might break beyond repair. The glass ball represents your work money and achievements. These are important, but require care, as they are fragile too. The rubber ball, on the other hand, represents material desires, luxuries like fancy cars, expensive gadgets, and other things you can live without. Even if you drop these, they bounce back or can be replaced." He paused and added, "You've been holding on to the rubber ball too tightly, chasing after material success and luxuries while neglecting the porcelain and glass balls. Your family and your peace of mind, that's why you're unhappy." Life is about balance. When life feels overwhelming, let go of the rubber ball. Protect what truly matters. Rohan felt a lump in his throat. His eyes welled up as he realized how much he had been chasing the wrong things, while his family and happiness slipped away. He bowed before the monk and whispered, "Thank you, Master. I understand now." In the rush of life, we often get caught up in the pursuit of external achievements, believing that success, money, and material things will bring us true happiness. But in this chase, we may lose sight of what truly brings us peace: our relationships, our health, and the love we share with those who matter most. The story reminds us that while striving for success is important, we must never neglect the things that nourish our souls, our family, our well-being, and the connections that define us. These are the things that, if lost, can never be replaced. Unlike the fleeting pleasures of material gain, we must learn to find balance, focusing not only on what we can gain in the world, but also on the simple, meaningful things that give us lasting joy. True happiness doesn't come from accumulating possessions or status, but from nurturing what matters most and cherishing those around us. When we prioritize love, peace, and connection, we discover a happiness that no external achievement can ever provide. If this story resonates with you, don't forget to check out my next video, where we explore more life lessons that can help you find balance and happiness. Click here to watch now and continue this journey with me.